This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right microphone for your room and task. Pick dynamic if the room is noisy, choose condenser for detailed studio capture, and make sure Phantom 48V is available for condensers. Once chosen, connect via XLR to an interface or USB to your computer. Confirm the device appears in your sound settings. Then position the mic about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and slightly off-axis to avoid plosive bursts, so you capture clear, even sound right away. Now you dial in the technical middle of the process. You will set preamp gain so your loudest syllables peak near -12 to -6 dB, which leaves headroom and reduces clipping. Speak at performance volume while adjusting. Once done, enable direct monitoring to eliminate latency and choose closed-back headphones at a safe volume. Also add a pop filter and shock mount and maintain a steady distance. This prevents plosives, mechanical noise, and inconsistent levels during your takes. Finish by running a test recording and critically listening through a few seconds to a minute of speech. If you hear clipping, lower gain. If there's rumble, add a high-pass filter at about 80 Hz. Once content sounds balanced, record full takes, apply gentle compression sparingly to control dynamics, and save labeled raw files before editing. If something goes wrong, check cables and phantom power first, then swap to another mic or input to isolate the issue. This usually reveals the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.